welcome to the 6th video in the Pirate Ship Restaurant series. If you've made it through the first 5 videos, you've got nerves of steel. If you missed the first 5 videos, and you want to watch them, just skim through them. They're kind of pretty boring, pretty long. So, in this video and in future videos, we're going to try and speed it up a bit. I'm not going to show you everything, since the first 5 videos pretty much show you it's pretty tedious work. So the first portion of this video, for some reason, is sort of corrupted a little, but I still thought it was there's still enough there to kind of show you what was going on, so I kind of left it in there. It has something to do with the way the recording video, the screen capture video, captured everything. It got a little wonky. You'll see what I'm talking about in a minute. So, well, let's go ahead and speed everything up and get some of the smaller bits finished on the deck of the ship. And in the next video, hopefully, I'll be able to switch things up and kind of move to the display base before I finally move to the masts. As I said earlier, I'm going to speed things up, not show you everything. I'm also going to try to limit the videos to about 10 to 20 minutes. 15 minutes would be ideal. So you won't have to suffer through this in future videos like you had to do with the first 5, hopefully. Now let's take a look at all that I've done. Here's the deck and all the details here. We did the stairs along with the hatch that leads below decks. Got some of the guides for the railing. Got the ship wheel done. As well as the little lanterns and the bell. Got all the little railings done in there. Of course, the cannons. Stuff like this, I won't be able to get the right position on the deck until I get the mast in there, because there's a mast that sits right behind there. In fact, this is probably going to sit more closer to here. It's the same with this here. This is going to have to move, and probably this part here, because these all sit either right in front of or right behind a mast. I don't know where the masts are going to go just quite yet. So, oh, of course we got the final lantern on the back.